This morning, I was working with coriander seed in the shower, which I'll give you a practice to do. Stay tuned for that in the forum. But I placed maybe about 2 or 3 drops in the palm of my hand. I smushed it and I placed one hand over my heart, and then the other one I went below my belly button, like a little bit over the bladder area. I'm sorry, below the belly button, over the bladder area. And I centered myself and I said, coriander seed, show me what you want me to see. Let me feel your medicine. And nothing came. Nothing came. And I thought, oh, great. I got to get online in just a few minutes and you're not going to give me anything to say, you know? It's, again, we're human, but no expectations. What the medicine did do to me is it rocked me. I noticed that I started to sway. I started to come forward and I went back, forward and then back. And then you know what I did think about? I thought about like I'm gonna make myself another cappuccino, right? Don't discount things like that. That's medicine, right? Because I find a cappuccino in the morning is the reason why I get up. That's nourishment. That's happiness. That's presence. That's what happens when you work with essential oils. The other thing too is sometimes what happened to me in the shower, and it was quick because then I was like, oh, I don't have time for that, was it was showing me places where I'm lacking. It it actually brought up some of my insecurities. So this is a way that the oil is saying to me, hey, this little pocket of lack, can I go in and fill it? Things pop up for us because they're ready to be released. They're ready to be acknowledged. We're ready to actually go there. So let's do it. And nothing is too scary, especially when we're working with coriander seed. We're not going to bottom out because this is the oil that prevents that.